let's just introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Sanjana
Hi, I'm Jyoti, and welcome
to Thistle.
where we talk about everything and anything. Now that the rehearsed part is over,
Okay, we'll actually get into what Thistle is about. Funny story about how Thistle came into existence actually. Initially, now we're going to call it Project T because Thistle was supposed to be something else, but it turned out to be something else now. So last year, June, by the way, around the same time, now it's September.
now it's September.
Now it's September.
Wow, June. Okay.
Yeah, so Jyoti and I were having an intense conversation at 3 a.m. because this crisis had shook me. I'm just being extra. It wasn't that bad at all.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't.
I'm sure it wasn't.
Anyway,
Yeah.
so we were like, so how it actually happened was I told Jyoti to watch this show called Bold Type. And I'm pretty sure most of y'all know what it is about. If it's not, Google it.
Please, so I'll explain what it's about. So essentially, it's about like three women who like work at this magazine sort of place, and they're like these very empowered sort of women who like do a lot of stuff and things like that. So we were kind of inspired by them, and then we were like, we'll do.
Once the crisis hit me again, going back to it, we were having this conversation and we were just like, we connected it somewhere like, we should be completely ambitious and all that stuff.
Have a plan B, plan C, plan D. So
Plan Z also.
Yeah, but for now this is plan.
Just plan. It's a plan. Movie.
So we were inspired by it.
And we were like, okay, let's get Project T started. We were so inspired, passionate about it. We spoke about it for a week, and then we were supposed to research about a particular thing, and we had to get back to each other. And we did not. It took us
a year.
Literally a year. And that too, why? Because another crisis hit me. Always takes a crisis to do great things.
Please quote
this person here.
Never mind. Our 2 subscribers will also unsubscribe.
Why are you being so pessimistic?
Okay, I'm sure. Yeah. Glass half full. Continue.
So, and then we were just like, hey, didn't we forget something? And that is Thistle. But anyway, we were just like, let's get it started. And we were just like, and we actually thought about it, spoke, got back. Most important thing, got back to each other.
Didn't wait another year.
Yeah. And didn't take another crisis. I hope it doesn't. Anyway.
I hope this doesn't become the crisis.
Okay, actually.
Essentially, the name Thistle itself, like, we were sort of brainstorming for like ideas that we could name our Project T. At that time it was Project T, so we thought, okay, this name sounds very interesting, and I'm this sort of like plantish freak sort of person, so I really like plants and nature. So if you don't know that thistle is actually a weed. It's a weed that's commonly found in like Scotland, and so we thought about using that for our name because we thought that people could resonate with that name a lot. Since it's a weed, people usually overlook it, like despite it being absolutely like beautiful. People usually like overlook it. So we thought, okay, you know what, let's just use this.
We're not giving away too much because we want you to be interested, curious about what we're going to do. You can listen to us on Spotify. We're of course available here on YouTube and Instagram, Pinterest. So yeah.
Also, along with the podcast, we're also going to be having a newsletter so that you get like a holistic perspective.
Where did you learn that?
From somewhere.
Holistic perspective is what she said. Yeah, that will be available on our website, so do check that out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Stay tuned. Bye bye.